What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be reviewing these JUUL compatible pods. They're by Eonsmoke. I got the mango flavor because that was always my favorite original JUUL pod flavor, and honestly these things, they're better. So you guys gotta try these. They're 6% nicotine. This is how you know they're good. I only got one left, and these things are just, they're good. You gotta try these. They're way better than whatever you're smoking. And the cool part about them is they only cost like $15 for a pack of 4. So you gotta try these. Now I'm just gonna do a little taste test. Test it out real quick. Show you guys what it looks like on the JUUL. Yeah, it's a little bit longer than a normal pod, but yeah, man, that shit tastes like a mango. Yeah, you should definitely try these. I did a couple reviews on other flavors as well. But try these. They're Eonsmoke. Can't go wrong. They're cheaper anyways, so they do get used up quicker though, because you can take longer rips out of these guys. So, but yeah, check out the rest of my YouTube videos. Yeah, have a good one.